Hello everyone, it's me Eva. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to create this beautiful chrome silver French nail art by using gel polishes on gel tips. So I have used this nail reserve gel polishes. These are like two different gels, but I want to create some between color of it. So I have mixed both of them. You can do that too. Like if you don't have like much gel polishes or like different kind of variety of colors, you can use or mix two or three gel polish colors to create a one color for that, and it's not going to get ruined or something. If the gel gets harder, you can add some base gel in it as well, like a rubber base gel, okay, and then you're good to go. I thought maybe like the color was a little more whitish, so I added more nude color in it, and now I'm going to apply it on the nail tips. For the silver chrome gel, I am using this metal painting gel by Born Pretty, and it's a really good quality one. You can use the metal painting gel by Macad as well, and I've taken this brush that I got from Walmart. I have mentioned all the links in the description, so you can check them out. Like all the shopping links are coming in the description box, okay? So this is how I'm going to create a French by just using a brush, and this is like a long bristle liner brush. Like if you do not have this metal gel paint, or if you don't want to use this, so you can use a chrome paint as well, and I will show you a technique to how to use chrome powder as well. Like there is this particular technique to do the chrome powder. It's a little time taking thing. Other than that, I always prefer this metal painting gel. Macad have also that in gold metal color, so I have ordered it, and I'll see how it is in quality. I'm not sure if it's good or not, but I'll see. Now I am doing the French tip on all of the nails. I can see that. Here I have used a silver sticker. I got it from AliExpress, and you can use any kind of silver, like hot or any kind of sticker for that. Now I have taken this rhinestone glue gel by Bow and Pretty. You can take the rhinestone glue gel by Makat too, by different any company too, but like I would recommend you to get the Bow and Pretty ones. Like it is also affordable, good quality, it comes on time, like everything is there. Like, so I recommend you this brand. I have used this same liner brush that I have used for the metal French tipping, and I'm going to use the same brush also. I have like cleaned it first, and I'm going to create this 3D effect by just applying that rhinestone gel. And I've added a little bit of the top coat. You can add a you can add a base coat as well in it, just to make it a little thin in consistency, because the gel itself is like really thick, like that rhinestone gel. I have now applied the top coat, and I'm going to stick some crystals on it. The crystals I got from Walmart. They're like really high quality. I got like in like I don't remember the price, but they were like around $2 or $3, and it's like a fair price for me. And also they're like really high quality. As you can see, they shine brighter and they're good. Everything is like amazing for them. And I'm going to do the same procedure on all the nails. When the nail art is done, I have added in a box just so I can use it later. You can do it as well if you are thinking about to start your own press-on business. It's a good thing to do. Like, you just can see it took really less time to create these 10 press-on nails, and also they're like really affordable and high quality. If you like this video, then you know what to do next. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.